the ground blind. Think we'll do any good over here?
Yes.
I hope you get one.
So do I.
Somebody's shooting over there, ain't they?
Yeah.
Well, keep watching. We're gonna watch. We're gonna sit here a while and see what happens.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't see him. Do you see him?
No.
Wait a minute. I can't see him. Do you see him?
Yes.
I can't see him, but go ahead. If you can see him, shoot him. You got him, didn't you?
Yes.
He's right over there. Oh man, he's a nice one. Poke him with the barrel. Alright.
That's a nice one.
High five. Oh man, he is a nice one.
Yeah.
That's not a bad deer, is it?
No.
You glad you got that one?
Yep.
10-pointer.
Yep.
Way to go.